Welcome back, woodworking enthusiasts, to our channel dedicated to all things carpentry. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the mesmerizing world of wood joinery. In this video, we will explore the incredible techniques used by talented carpenters to create stunning wood joints. Segment 1. The Art of Wood Joinery. Woodworking is a true art form that requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of different joinery techniques. When it comes to creating strong and visually appealing wood joints, carpenters have perfected their craft over centuries. One such technique that stands out is the hand-cut Madrid dovetail. Segment 2. Unveiling the hand-cut Madrid dovetail technique. The hand-cut Madrid dovetail is an elegant and functional joint that provides both strength and beauty to any woodworking project. It involves carefully cutting and fitting interlocking wedge-shaped pieces of wood, resulting in a seamless connection. Segment 3. The tools and skills required. To achieve precision and accuracy in hand-cut Madrid dovetails, skilled carpenters rely on a set of essential tools. From marking and measuring tools to chisels and saws, each instrument plays a crucial role in creating these intricate joints. But it's not just about the tools, it's also about the skills and expertise that come with experience. Segment 4. Showcasing the finished product. After hours of meticulous work, the hand-cut Madrid dovetail joint is complete. Its seamless connection and stunning appearance demonstrate the mastery of the carpenter. Now, let's take a moment to admire the finished product, a beautiful piece of woodworking that showcases the true artistry and craftsmanship of the wood joinery process. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey into the world of wood joinery. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing techniques used by carpenters to create stunning wood joints, particularly the hand-cut Madrid dovetails.